Hey guys, I had made a status, I guess a couple or maybe a week or two ago about if anyone would be interested in hair tutorials, and I decided that I would just film one real fast while I'm fixing my hair. Now, I went to sleep with my hair wet last night, and it was up, so it's a mess. I have brushed it, but it's just frizzy and crazy right now, so if you have hair like this, then hopefully I can help you in this video. I wish the lighting was better in here, but it's not. But anyway, so I'm gonna use a 1 4 inch Conair curling iron, and I'm just gonna style my hair real quick and let everyone see, so that way maybe I can help someone. Usually I don't section my hair, so I mean, it's better to, but I just don't. I just kind of grab pieces and go over them. And I just curl away from my face. I hope I don't make crazy faces in this video. And also, I hope that sometimes when I upload videos on Facebook, they're blurry. And I hope that this one won't be. But I didn't really want to go on live. So I was like, I'm just going to try this and see how it goes. I hope everyone's having a good day today. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. Sorry that my hair looks like I stuck my finger in a light socket. Goodness. I know that I'm making crazy faces. I just know I am. I don't even realize it. I'll try to smile more. Maybe that'll make my crazy faces not look so bad. Sometimes I feel like I have to go over it a couple times for it to do what I want. You know? I recently lightened my hair, and I would just like to throw this little tip in there. Because anytime I ever lighten my hair feels kind of damaged afterwards, and so I have been taking precautions to keep my hair healthy. So I use It's a Tim with keratin in it, and I swear by it. I tell everybody about it. I'm like, if you don't have that, you need it to keep your hair healthy. I just spray it on my hair after a shower, and it really, really helps. And then I also did a mask on my hair right after I colored it. Sometimes I go around like this, almost like a wand, and then sometimes it's good to like count to 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then release. You can get this curling iron at Walmart for like under $15, I think. I just recently got this bigger one, and it's better for my hair because my hair's longer now, so it and I like bigger curls and stuff nowadays, so. I'm just gonna put a little hairspray on it. I got this, this Joico hair shake. I'm just gonna shake it, spray it under there a little bit, give a little extra body underneath there. My hair's being stubborn today. It's one of those days where it's just wanting to split, and it's annoying. We're getting places. We're getting places. Okay. I'm gonna spray it again. You ever feel like you just need a little bit more and it just makes you feel better? Alright. So now I'm gonna look at this. Look at this mess. Isn't this unreal? Seriously, this is what my hair is. If I sleep on it wet, this is what my hair is. Now, if I were to leave my hair down and sleep with it wet, it would be prettier than this. Or if I let my hair air dry, you know. Sometimes it just makes you feel better to fix your hair and hey, I put my hair in a bun so much that, it's embarrassing because I'm a hairstylist and I wear my hair in a bun a lot. But I enjoy fixing other people's hair more than I do my own hair. And so, most days I do just throw it in a bun, but sometimes it just makes you feel a little better to fix your hair and put on a little makeup and, I think it just like makes you feel refreshed, you know? Gosh, this is gonna wind up. Anytime I make a video, I feel like it turns into like a 10 to 20 minute kind of thing, and I don't mean for that. I wish I could do this faster. So people don't have to sit here like, okay, this is boring. Because it does get boring after a while. Why do we feel like it's better to like squint our eyes and like make faces whenever we do our hair? Because I do that a lot. I catch myself fixing my hair, like making these crazy faces in the mirror. It's like, does that make it better or? I think I'm going to try to start doing these tutorials. Emily said that she'll come probably Monday and Monday evening, and we can film one of me doing her hair, and maybe we can not only make it a tutorial, but like also encouragement and stuff. I just think it would be nice, and I don't know, I just think it would bring some brightness to the Facebook world if we tried to show some encouragement to people, and everybody needs it, you know. This lighting is just not very good. I feel like my hair's getting thinner these days, so I like to wear my hair curly. We're almost done. 12 minutes in. I'm gonna flop my head over real fast and then bring it back up, see what I need to do. That Joyco hair shake is good if you flop your head over and kind of rub it in, you know. When I do Emily's hair, then we'll probably go live. Goodness, my hair is being so ornery today. But it's all my fault. I shouldn't have slept on it like that last night. pigs outside. I was just checking to see if I see her, and I don't. She's probably walking around the house. Gosh, it's already been 15 minutes. Goodness gracious. Oh, this is like a workout. Okay, I think I'm done I think this is how I'm wearing my hair today, because I'm tired of fooling with it any longer. It's just being stubborn today. Hopefully when I do Emily's, it'll be a better video, and hopefully we'll see what we can do with hers. So, thanks for watching. I appreciate it, and if you have any requests, just let me know, and we'll try to do it. I think this will be fun to do, and we're happy to do it. So Emily says she's on board to help me out with the tutorials and stuff, because so many people ask me, how I curl my hair and stuff, and so I do it different. Like sometimes I leave my ends out, sometimes I only curl my ends, sometimes I do it from root to end, it's different all the time. And so anyway, thanks for watching. I appreciate it, and I hope this was an alright video. I hope it's not going to go blurry when I go to post it, but thank you. Bye.